Welcome to another video of our BMC YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix when not all open tickets are displayed in Smart IT Ticket Console after an upgrade. There are some cases after an upgrade of Smart IT from 1805 to 2002 that no information is displayed in the ticket console. The installation completed successfully, but the user is not able to see any tickets or columns in the ticket console. This can be caused by wrong or miss setting for a centralized configuration parameter. This parameter is restrict console result for number of days, and it was included in Smart IT version 2002 to restrict the ticket console search result with a date range for a better performance. So let's add this parameter. For that, we need to go to Applications, then AR System Administration Console, System, then click on General and open Centralized Configuration. Here you need to select com.bmc.arcs.smartit as component and click on the asterisk to display all the settings for Smart IT in your AR server group. We need to look for the parameter restrict console result for number of days. By default, the value of this configuration parameter is set to 30 days, but as per your requirement, you can change its date. BMC recommends to set this date in a monthly date range, for example, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, etc. For this example, we will change this value to 60 days and save it. This will display the tickets in Smart IT Ticket Console within a date range of 2 months. You can set restrict console result for number of days with value as 0 to show all the data present in the system on Ticket Console. But be aware that this will impact the performance. You also can check all the configuration parameters for Smart IT in the link shown here in this presentation. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel